Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to power up your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. In first method, long press the power button or a side key. You can see the power menu. Tap on a power off. Now again tap on a power off to turn off your phone. In second method, swipe down the notification panel. At the top, you can see power button icon beside the setting gear icon. Tap on the power button icon. Now you can see power menu again. Tap on a power off. Again tap on a power off to switch off or turn off your Samsung Z Fold devices. In third method, you can use a Google Assistant. Launch the Google Assistant and say, "Hey Google, turn off the phone," or long press the home button. Now say turn off the phone. You can see the power menu. You can see the power menu when launch the assistant. Tap on the power off. Again tap on a power off to turn off your phone. It's quite easy to turn off or power off your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold devices using these three settings. That's it. Please like it, share it.